is the next exercise 15.1. First here the blanks are there. We'll be solving that. First blank is probability of an event plus probability of an event, not E. Not E means yesterday I taught you. Complement. Okay, supposing your event is getting head. Okay, not getting head is getting tail. So not getting head, we will be calling it as not getting head, E complement. Okay, so always probability of event. Yesterday I gave you one formula also. Probability of an event and probability of not getting the event, not event, that will be equal to 1. Okay, then next is probability of the event that cannot happen, the probability that will not happen. Getting 101 marks out of 100 is not possible. So always equal to 0. Sun rising in the west, it will not happen. So probability of an event that cannot happen is always equal to 0. Okay, such event what we call impossible events. Then the probability of event has certain to happen. Definitely it will be happening. Example, sun rising in the east. So that will be that 100% it happen. So always such events probability will be equal to 1. Okay, such events are called certain events. Definitely they will be happening. Sum of the probabilities of all elementary events of an experiment is 1. Always sum of the probabilities will be equal to 1. Okay, the probability of an event always lies between greater than or equal to 0. Any event if you take, that will be greater than or equal to 0 or less than or equal to 1. Always it lies between, cannot be less than 0 or it cannot be more than 1. Always it lies between 0 and 1, in which 0 and 1 are included. Okay, the blanks are over. Next is which of the following expressions are equally and likely to happen. Okay, which of the likely to happen means which have 50% chances. Okay, so that we have to decide. A driver attempts to start a car. The car starts or does not start. Here driver, when he attempts, they are not equally 50% chances are not there. So this statement will not, it is not applicable. Okay, a player attempts to shoot a basketball. She or he shoots or misses the shot. Okay, this is here also. 50% chances are not there. It may happen or it may not happen. But a trial is made to answer true false questions. Here 50% chances are. Only 2 are there. What are they? Either true or false. If a question is given, it may be true or it may be false. 50% true, 50% false. So this is the event equally and likely to occur. Equally and likely outcomes are there. 50% true may be there, 50% false may be there. मतलब क्या है, आपको 50% चांसेस हो तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं, इक्वली लाइकली. ओके, इसमें क्या है, क्वेश्चन दिए तो ट्रू हो सकती है, नहीं तो फॉल्स हो सकती है. इसीलिए हम लोग बोल सकते हैं इसको इक्वली लाइकली टू हैपन. देन ए बेबी बॉर्न इट इज़ बॉय और गर्ल. 50% चांसेस है boy. Only two outcomes are there. So if only 2 outcomes are there, we can say that they are equally and likely to happen. So here, what is that? Here the baby may be boy or the baby may be girl. 50-50. So we can call it as equally likely outcome. So statement 3 and statement 4. equally likely outcomes. Okay, this is two questions, first two questions. Thank you.